Good morning, students. Hereafter you can expect JEE short tricks from our Model YouTube channel. Already we are providing for complete NEET support. Hereafter we will upload for JEE also, and you have 4 choices to attend JEE. So if you know the short tricks, you can easily score maximum mark. Okay. So because of that, Marvel is planning to upload more short tricks videos for JEE mathematics. Today we will discuss matrices related short tricks, particularly matrix polynomial. If any one polynomial is given, within 10 seconds how to find the correct option, that is very important, but here I will explain theoretically. Because if you know this technique, you can choose the correct option within 10 seconds. So first question, matrix polynomial for 2 by 2 matrix. A equal to 3 1 minus 1 2 a square plus xa plus y I2 equal to O, where x and y are dash. Okay, actually x and y, x equal to minus 5 and y equal to 7, x equal to minus 5, y equal to 7, and for the second case x equal to minus 7 and y equal to minus 2, and for the third case something is given, only k is given, where k equal to minus 1. So within 10 seconds you can find the correct answer. How? That is very important. Okay, if you know this technique, you can write the answer within 10 seconds. See here, this is a short tricks for 2 by 2 matrix. For 2 by 2 matrix, the short tricks is a square minus trace of a into a plus determinant of a into I, minus trace of a into a. Trace of a is nothing. What is the meaning of trace of a? Trace of a is nothing but sum of all diagonal elements. Sum of all diagonal elements. Trace of a into a plus determinant of a into I. For that I gave one simple example. Trace of a means a and d, a plus d. Very important, this is minus sign. Minus trace of a plus d into a plus determinant of a. What is determinant of a? AD minus BC. AD minus BC into I, AD minus BC into I. A square minus sum of the diagonal elements into A plus determinant of A into I. Using this techniques, we will verify here. So what is diagonal elements? 3 plus 2, 5. As per the formula, minus trace of A. So this is 5. That is the reason for minus 5. And determinant of A, 3. So what is determinant of A? So determinant of A equal to here 3 into 2 6 minus minus 1 7, that is the reason for 7. Second one, what is the trace of A? 2 plus 5 7, so minus 7, because as per the formula x square a square minus trace of A 7a plus y 10 minus 12 minus 2i, that is the reason for that. Again a square by formula minus trace of A 1 into a plus determinant of A minus 6 plus 8 to I. If you compare here, k equal to minus 1. So one easy technique you know for 2 by 2 matrix of matrix polynomial. So what is the technique? A square minus trace of A into A plus determinant of A into I equal to O. That is very important. Now what is the short trick formula for matrix polynomial if the matrix is of 3 by 3 matrix? Already we know the technique of 2 by 2 matrix polynomial. Now 3 by 3 matrix polynomial. If A equal to 3 by 3 matrix, then A cube plus xa square plus ya plus zi equal to O, where x, y, z are dash. Actually x equal to, now 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus of 0 equal to 0, and y equal to minus 2 minus 2 plus 1 minus 12 minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 12 plus minus 2 minus 6, which is equal to minus 4 minus 11 minus 8 minus 23, and z equal to minus of minus 2 minus 2 minus twice of 3 minus 4 plus 3 times 6 plus 8 minus of minus 4 minus 1 plus 2, and this is 14, 42, 44 minus 4, 40, this is minus 40. Therefore, the answer is 0, minus 23 and minus 40. 0, minus 23, 40. Actually, if you solve by regular method in a board exam, it will take nearly 6 to 8 minutes or sometime 10 minutes also, depends upon your speed. But within 30 seconds, you can find this solution if you know these short tricks. Same short tricks I will apply for this second sum, x equal to x equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 minus 6 and y equal to 6 plus 0, 3 minus 4, 2 minus 0, 6 minus 1 plus 2, 7, and z equal to minus of 6 plus 2 into minus 4, minus 8 minus 2 plus 2. The answer for this question is minus 6, and this is 7, and this is 2. If you know this technique, minus 6, 7, 2, that is the answer for second question. Again, within 30 seconds you can find this. So similarly, you can find this technique. I will explain what is the short tricks for this 3 by 3 matrix equations. Very simple. So here also I will solve one more problem so that you will get clear idea. Minus 2 plus 1 plus 0, which is equal to minus 3, and y equal to 3 plus minus 1 plus 2, this is 4, z equal to minus of 2 into 3 plus 1 into minus 3. So 6 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3. The answer for this question is minus 3, 4 and 3. Minus 3, 4 and 3. Now, how to apply this concept? How to apply this concept using this technique? This is a technique for 3 by 3 matrix. This is not there in any book. A cube plus trace of A. Trace of A, as you know very well, trace of A equal to minus trace of A into A square, minus trace of A into A square. Trace of A equal to sum of all diagonal elements, sum of all diagonal elements, and for coefficient of A is sum of all cofactors of diagonal elements, sum of all cofactors of diagonal elements minus determinant of A. That is the reason for I am using minus sign for x and z, but plus sign for x. See, again I will explain. A cube minus, because of this minus I am using this, minus trace of A into A square plus sum of all cofactors of a diagonal elements into A minus determinant of A into I. Again I will explain here. See here, trace of A 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, 0, correct, and that is the reason for minus. And minus for the z sign is also for all the cases I am using minus sign for x coefficient of A square and coefficient of I, x and z, and y sum of all that is the sum of all minus cofactors of the diagonal elements. For the diagonal elements of what is the cofactor for 1? This value, correct? Minus 2, see here, minus 2, and for this number 1 minus 12, see here, and for this number omit minus 2, minus 6, minus 8, minus 11 and minus 4, the answer is minus 23. And Z minus determinant of A, as you know, determinant of A, what is determinant of A? 1 into minus 2, and 2 into, see here, this is 2 into 3 minus 4 and 3 into 6 plus 8, the answer is minus 40. So, what is the short tricks for this? A cube minus trace of A into A square, don't forget this sign, here and here minus sign. Okay. This is similar to 10th standard concept, cubic formula, x cube minus alpha sigma alpha into x plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma into x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. That is a concept of formation of cubic equation. Here also, for all cubic equation, whatever the form, whether it is algebraic form or matrix form or any other form, the second term, even number of terms, always negative. That is the reason for minus sign here and minus sign there. A cube minus trace of A into A square plus sum of all cofactors of the diagonal elements into A minus determinant of A into I equal to O. So, this is a short tricks. If you know this, don't forget this trick. If you know this, within 10 to 20 seconds, you can find the correct answers. Okay, and these two sums, do it yourself. Do it yourself. These two sums within. Send your correct options. Use this technique. Share your correct options and send your correct options in our comment box. So, you have gift for top 3 students. First 3 students, Marvel will provide gift. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our Marvel Educar YouTube channel and share with your friends.